Welcome to 10240 170th Street West in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044. This beautiful two-story home was built in 1991, and it's located in the Linwood North subdivision in Lakeville, right off of Apava. You're very close to parks, schools, shopping, everything you could possibly need. It's a nice, quiet neighborhood with homes that are all very similar. The roof was new in 2017, so before I take you inside, I'm going to show you the lake that this property butts up to, which is Goose Lake. It's part of the Black Dog watershed in Dakota County. If you hop on a kayak, it takes about an hour, as you can see how big the lake is, to go around the entire thing. It is a non-motorized lake, so you can use kayaks, canoes, you could ice skate on it in the winter, you could swim if you like, but you can't add like a pontoon or a speedboat. The neighborhood's very quiet. Again, like I said, very similar homes in this entire area. Most of it was built between early 90s to mid 90s. Off in the distance you can see literally how big this lake is. Usually there's not a lot of homes for sale in Lakeville that back up to any type of body of water. So it's wonderful because it's so quiet and peaceful, yet you get to use this as well. Not to mention, again, the privacy portion. So as we scan back here with the drone heading back to the house, this is a section you would see if you're standing on the dock. And as we zoom in, just off to your right, the cream-colored home at the bottom left of the screen is the house. So as we turn and pull back a little bit, we're going to show you there's the dock, and look at how private and wooded the backyard is, yet lots of space for a play set, a garden, or any other outdoor activity that you might want to enjoy. I want to take you around the outside of the house and show you the neighborhood before we go indoors. Again, this is the Linwood North subdivision. All of the houses are very similar in size and value. This two-story has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 2,600 finished square feet. You've got a front paver patio that you can set up a couple of chairs or a table if you like. There's a cute little front porch I want to show you. It's a great place to sit out and have a cup of coffee in the morning and read the newspaper. Asphalt driveway, 2-car attached garage. The pavers are really cute and just add a lot to the outside of the house. There's extensive landscaping around the entire property, so in the summer when everything gets green and all the leaves on the trees and all the flowers, it's really beautiful. It feels like a very private oasis. I'll take you around the side, show you that the house is in excellent condition, very well cared for, and take you through the backyard and down to Goose Lake. Some of the features here in the backyard is there's a koi pond, so if you wanted to add some fish, you could do that. You have a large paver patio out back. That door you see on the right goes into the garage, and that's a 3-season porch at the very end. It's a very large backyard, and again, very private, as you can see. The 3-season porch is a wonderful space you can use from early spring all the way into late fall. This is what it looks as you approach the lake. This is your view. It's just very peaceful and beautiful here. I'm going to turn around and show you the backyard from this perspective. So as you can see, plenty of room to add a play set, garden, or any other outdoor activity that you would like to do. Very quiet, nice area. Here's what the dock looks like. Very calm day today, beautiful sunny skies. As you can see, if you're someone who loves to be outdoors, it's a wonderful place to spend time. You can, again, canoe or kayak, swim if you like. It's great year-round use and very private. As we enter the front door of the home, you'll see beautiful natural hardwood floors. One of the things that's very unique about this particular home is how large the living room is off to the right. There's a closet for guest coats, formal dining room that leads upstairs. So if you like to have dinner parties, you have a formal area to do so. If you don't use this anymore for a dining area, it could make a really nice home office. I love how you can see through from one area of the house to the other. It's very open for a 2-story. Gas fireplace could be added. Right now it's wood, but huge area here. Most of the furniture is kind of centralized, but you could break this up into 2 separate areas. There's lots of ceiling fans for airflow, lots of windows for natural light throughout the day. Very neutral paint. This is a move-in ready proposition, very flexible on closing. To the left here is a half bath. It's one of 3 bathrooms in the house, so it's a sink and a toilet. Beautiful hardwood floors, like I said, throughout the main level. There you go. Tall ceilings. And I'll try and give you some other perspectives here of this large living room. I believe it was probably originally built with a wall, and that wall was removed by the previous owner to make this huge open space. So if you like to have dinner parties or entertain, it's a very open floor plan, as you can see. A lot of space in the kitchen, countertop as well as storage. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. This is a fantastic space. Beadboard ceilings in the kitchen, and then a tongue and groove ceiling here in the porch with windows around the whole entire thing, so it's a great view of the backyard. So if you have young kids and they're playing in the backyard, you can sit here and read a book and keep an eye on them. And then this door leads to the patio. And then back into the kitchen, as you can see, white woodwork, stainless steel appliances, again, granite countertop, hardwood floors, drop-in stainless steel sink. There is a kitchen window, lots of natural light. And then this is a pass-through there to the dining room. Off to the left, that door will lead to the basement, which is unfinished. So if you're looking for extra space, not only is there plenty of storage, but you can imagine the lower level any way you want. It's roughed in for a 3/4 bath, but you could put another bedroom in there, family room, whatever you want to do. Lots of storage space in the cabinets. And then this leads to a tile floor mudroom. To the left is a large closet. To the right is your laundry. And this is also where you enter the home from the garage off to the right. So going back into the kitchen again, you can see lots of space. Then heading upstairs, there are 3 really large bedrooms. Hardwood floors on this level as well. So let's take you to the master first. I'll show you the hardwood floors again. Master is huge, and it has a really large walk-in closet that's actually almost in 2 sections. But you can see you could literally get a king-size bed in here and a sitting area if you wanted. It's that large. And the other 2 bedrooms, as I show you, you'll notice they're also very good size as well. There's not one that's really small. They're all very good. So to the right is the walk-in closet, and then to the left here is the master bath. Master bath has tile floors. It has a step-in or walk-in shower. Fantastic space. 2 sinks. Lots of storage. Beautiful lighting. Large mirror. Here is the walk-in shower. I'll do my best to show you with the limited pan I have with this camera, but as you can see, beautiful tile work, very well done. It feels like a hotel. Big shower, and then it also has this area where you have more linen storage. This is a view out the window. It faces the front of the house. Going back into the master, This has a pocket door, so if you want to close the bathroom off from the master bedroom, you certainly can do that. Again, look at how big that place is. It's a huge space. And then you have a huge walk-in closet. I know I'm using the word huge a lot, but I don't know what else to use to describe it. But you can see that they're actually using part of it as a home office now because there's so much space for clothing. So you could expand this and add more racks as well, and even double up on it if you like. So there should be more than enough room for most people. As you can see, another space here behind the door. Crown molding, very nice woodwork around the doors. They're all hard panel, 6-panel doors that are real wood. That's a bench in the hallway that is a great place for storage. The second full bathroom here on the upper level has 2 sinks, tile floors, tub, tile surround as well. So it's a fantastic space if you have kids and you need extra space, or if you have people staying with you for a guest room. Any of these rooms would work great for a home office, guest room, library, whatever you would need it for. Both of the other bedrooms, the second and third bedrooms, are 13 by 11, so very good size. And then this is a shot from the bedroom. You can overlook the lake. Large closets in both rooms as well. Again, 6-panel doors, nice woodwork. Carpet in this particular room, which is the third room. Again, great size walk-in closet, and this one is facing the front. So this house has over 2,600 finished square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, attached 2-car garage, backs up to Goose Lake, private backyard. It has so many wonderful features. You've got to come and see it for yourself. You will not be disappointed. It's priced to sell and ready to go. And there's also a couple of surprises when you come here that we probably have not covered, that you'll be able to see on your own when you make a physical appointment to see this house. Thank you for taking the time.